unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
The ideal size for a backpack to fit under an airplane seat is approximately 18 inches tall, 14 inches wide, and 8 inches deep. This size varies slightly between airlines, but sticking to these dimensions should ensure your backpack fits under most airplane seats, making it perfect for carry-on luggage and easy access during your flight.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.